Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Walt with US Turf again. Today we're going to be walking you through one of our most recent commercial projects, a little over 20,000 square feet at the Windsor Apartments in San Marcos, California. We were really excited when the owners reached out to us at US Turf to come be a part of their project. They had heard about other apartments we have done in the San Diego area, and they knew that we would be a good fit for the project. So when we first got here, the grass was dead or dying. The rabbits were eating what little grass was left. Gophers were burrowing all over the place, riddling it with holes. When they were trying to get the grass to grow back, they were overwatering. That water was spilling out into the street, which is an obvious concern for the city of San Marcos. And they knew that it was time to make a change. They decided to select the Catalina Premium product to install here, which can help reduce the landscape water usage by up to 50%, which also in turn helps them to reduce the maintenance requirement for their landscape and allows the owners to focus more on the quality of life for their tenants. Being a main street in San Marcos, we've had a lot of positive feedback from people passing by saying that this is some of the most natural looking synthetic grass that they've seen. And we've even had a few people stop in and say that they want to install this exact product at their own property. All right guys, thank you so much for taking the time today to come and view our video. Please remember to like and subscribe below. And if you're interested in a residential or commercial project of your own, feel free to give us a call at US Turf anytime.